Now let's add this animation to the screen. So we just need to open the third person character. And if you remember, we have this function here that kills the player, where we put the slow motion and the ragdolls and everything. This is the perfect timing to add this, this UI. So what we're gonna do is to get the player controller. Okay, and now we're gonna put cast to my trap game. So now that we have this, we have access to this variable here that is main UI. So let's just put the get main UI. There you go. So now that you have the UI, you have a bunch of functions here. But if you check our blueprint here, and this has an option, this is get player state, get player state. There you go. Fix it. So now we can just open here in my first game. We can go to the W wasted. And you can see here that the visibility is hidden, right? We cannot call this one here. We need to call this menu here, the main wasted UI. Okay, and by default the visibility is off. So what we want to do is to go here to our wasted here, and let's create a function we can use here. So what we can do is basically create a new function, and let's just call it wasted show wasted UI, something like that. And what it will do is basically grab the visibility of what we had here. Remember this image wasted? Let's set the visibility to on. So let's go back here, set visibility, and we will put it visible here. Let's drag this here. And now that it's visible, we want to play the animation. So this is the intro animation wasted, and we can just play animation forward. There you go. You can change the playback speed if you want. So now that we have this, we need to implement this function here. So we can just add a function, and it's like show wasted, and we can basically go here, get wasted, and then get wasted sounds very funny, show wasted UI. There you go. And now that we have this, we can just call this function here. So we can go here to the main UI, and then you can go to show wasted. There you go. Let's go here and let's connect this one here. So at this point, we just need to pray, and hopefully our logic is working. So let's go back here, and there you go, wasted. And the problem is, like, it's happening every time the traps are killing the player. It's okay, we can take a look at that later. But this is basically the way you connect with blueprints. You just need to check the hierarchy. Like, for example, you have the player controller here, who has the widget blueprint, and who has the widget. What is inside the widget? Blueprint is the widget, and here has the animation. So we need to do all this to reach to the player controller. We create the animation here. We call the function we create here, and then the player controller will call the function that is in here. And then the third person will call this function. So this is the way we can put actually connect with the UI. And you can do many things here, but because this is a beginner's tutorial, we're just gonna leave it like that.